Hi everyone, so today we're going to bolt this bigger sprocket onto this wheel. This is 72 teeth, normally they're 53, so that gears it down a bit if you need a bit more torque or if you'd rather have a lower top speed. So if you've taken off your other sprocket, you should already have these plates, you can reuse them. And these bolts, put a bit of Loctite on them. Now if you have a look at the bore size, it does actually wobble a little bit on there. So we need to get that centered. We've got this alignment tool for putting on there, but you're not going to have one of them probably because we had that made. So you can, if you just line it up as best you can by eye, that should be okay. Just nip these bolts up. And we'll tighten them up with the torque wrench. We find about 30 Newton meters, seems about right. And then we bend these tabs up with a screwdriver, which I've forgotten, so I'll just grab that. So these tabs obviously stop the bolts from coming undone. And so that's all there is to it. See you next time.